How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a peanut butter and jam sandwich. And it's not going to be a basic one. It's going to be the best peanut butter and jam sandwich that you've ever had. Sorry about the noise though, there is a tornado hitting my city. So what you're going to want is 2 pieces of bread, like that. And then you're going to want to bring out your toaster. This is the special tool for the whole operation. Then you just stuff the bread in there. And then get your peanut butter and jam ready. Now, just wait. That's it. Just wait. After the waiting game is done, you're going to want to take out your 2 pieces of bread after you're done washing your hands. And then you're just going to want to liberally spread all the peanut butter and all the jam all over your 2 pieces of bread. Now, you don't want to thin it out. You want thick, very, very thick coats of this stuff. Otherwise, it's not going to be good. Now, you flip it over, and it's done. Congratulations, you just made the best peanut butter and jam sandwich